Hi, my name is Victoria, and today I'm going to show you how to create a package. A package consists of a number of products that you want to offer your customers as a single purchase. For example, a large canvas with a selection of prints or digital downloads. An attractive package will encourage your clients to buy more than if you offered each item individually. To create a package, click on Sell in the main navigation and then go to Packages. Click the Create New Package button and enter a package title. Enter a package description, and below that you can allow only one image in this package if you like, or select No and it will allow multiple images. Click Save and Continue, and here you can select all the products you'd like to add to this package. In this example, I'm going to create a package that would be suitable for a portrait shoot. I'm going to add one 14 by 11 standard framed canvas. Here you could alter the quantity, and once you're happy with that, click Add Product. You can see down here the product has been added to the package. I'm going to be adding 5 6 by 4 luster prints to the package. I'm going to change the quantity to 5 and then click Add Product. So now you can see at the bottom here there are 5 6 by 4 luster photographic prints and one 14 by 11 standard framed canvas. Over here you could select to edit or delete these. Self-fulfillment currently says no. You'll need to add your PayPal details to your shopping cart settings for this to change. Next, you can upload a package image, and this image will show in the shopping cart when your client orders this package. Once the package image has uploaded, you can remove the package image if you like, or if you're happy with how that looks. Now the package has been created, you'll need to add this to a price list. To do that, go to Sell and Price Lists. You could add this to a current price list or create a new one. I'm going to create a new price list for this package. Choose the settings you want for your price list and click Continue to select products. At the bottom here, you can select Packages, and under the Packages, the portrait package we just created is displayed. Tick the portrait package and then click Continue to set prices. In the menu on the left, click Packages, and here you can see the package we created. In this box here, you can change the selling price of your package. It's a good idea to offer multiple packages so your clients can choose a basic package or upgrade for better value. It's also a good idea to experiment with packages and price points to find what works best for you. Workspace makes that easy, as you can create unlimited price lists and packages, and you can track sales, costs and profits in the Workspace Sales Tracker. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, send us an email at techsupport@queensberry.com.